Ideal for high-volume users looking to turn waste material into revenue, the V50 mill-size baler is recommended for supermarkets, service stations, department stores, hotels, manufacturing plants and logistics centres. The V50 is a true 50-ton press that creates the optimal size bale for transport and revenue return, efficiently compacting cardboard, plastic, textile, polystyrene and aluminium waste. The machine is easy to install and easy to use, so machine operators can be trained quickly and safely. Newly made bales are the same size as a standard Euro pallet, making them easy to move, transport and sell, generating additional revenue for your business. The V50 baler features simplified low-voltage user controls for added safety, and automatic and manual cycles for efficiently crushing different materials. The machine's unique configuration of floating and fixed retention fingers help optimize baling and keeps bales to a neat, standard size. While the power pack is externally mounted on the side of the machine for easy service and maintenance. The baleful indicator helps ensure safe operation at multiple user sites. A true 50-ton pressing force and long-stroke cylinder guarantees maximum compaction in 45 seconds, producing 350 to 500 kilogram bales. Wire or polyester baler strapping may be used for binding large bales. The heavy-duty door clamp makes light work of easily and securely locking the machine door. And LSM's e-power delivers large savings of energy, time and cost, meaning you will compact more waste in fewer cycles. As with all LSM products, the V50 mill-size baler is built for long life, is simple to use and serviced to the highest quality standard, which breeds longevity. Trusted around the world, LSM have delivered more than 16,000 machines to 30 countries. Our extensive range includes balers, crushers and packers for all types and volumes of waste, all constructed with high-quality materials and precision technology. Call us today to speak to an expert on the LSM range of machines. And see the full range of LSM balers at lsmlimited.com.